Hi, I'm Peter from Atwas Manufacturing, and this video is going to show you our 900 gram PVC coated polyester fabric. This fabric is a super strong fabric. It's very tough, durable, hard wearing. It's used to make lorry curtains, truck curtains, industrial curtains, and any job that requires a lot of strength. It's sometimes called curtain cider tarpaulin truck curtain material. It comes 3 meters wide off the roll. There's quite a few colour options available, and it's sold per meter on our website. Now, it feels very heavy duty, quite thick and stiff, but it also has a very smooth, soft, shiny appearance. This fabric is extremely thick. It's quite stiff and holds its shape quite well. The lacquered finish is applied to both surfaces, but there's extra lacquer applied to one surface, which makes the fabric have an outside and an inside surface, and it's quite difficult to tell the difference between the two. But the inside surface, which is this surface, has a grainier appearance, slightly rougher. And the outside has a softer, smoother finish. So what's special about this fabric? Two things. Number one, it's got an extremely high tensile and tear strength. And number two, it's got a top quality lacquer finish on both sides, so on the top side and bottom side. Now, the reason why this fabric is so strong, if I run through the construction, you've got high quality polyester yarns in the centre. And normally in lighter PVCs, for instance the 580, 610, 680 gram PVCs, they're made up of 1x1 construction, so 1 ply construction, and you've got yarns which are running vertically and horizontally and they interlock. So you've got yarns running back, front, to create like a checkerboard effect, so that creates the strength. But in this 900 gram PVC, you've got two yarns which are twisted together to create a 2x2 construction. So the yarns are twisted together first, so you've got double the amount of yarns, and then you've got the woven effect. Now, this fabric is very strong. If you look in the spec, we list the tensile strength and the tear strength in our spec. So if you check that out, you'll see that this fabric is twice as strong, pretty much roughly, as the other PVCs, the lighter PVCs. So the colours we have available: dark green, mid green, light green, emerald green, brown, red, orange, yellow, black, dark blue, mid blue, light blue, mid grey, light grey, silver, cream and white. Now I'm going to try and show you how strong this fabric is. So if I take a pair of scissors and make a cut in the fabric to start a tear, and now I'm going to try and tear the fabric. And as you can see, it is extremely difficult to tear. Now I'm trying really hard, and I am struggling to tear the fabric. Now I'm going to take a small flat-headed screwdriver. The flat head is probably about 5mm, and I'm going to try and puncture a hole. So if I just do this just to give you an idea, you'll see if I apply a bit of force, I am struggling to push the screwdriver through the fabric. I'm breaking through the layer of PVC on this side, but I'm not getting through the centre of the fabric or the other side. It's not breaking a hole through the other side of the PVC. So if I was to use a sharp tool or a very sharp nail, I'm sure that would go through it. I wouldn't advise you or let you think that a nail wouldn't go through, because it would. But certainly this flat-headed screwdriver is struggling to puncture a hole. The PVC coating is completely waterproof, UV resistant and mildew resistant, and on top of the PVC is a special lacquer which makes the surface very shiny, soft, smooth and slippery, and it's very easy to keep clean. So if I take some water and pour a drop onto the surface, you'll see that the shiny, slippery finish makes the water run on the fabric. Ooh, and it's easy to keep clean. To mark and cut the fabric, we normally use a China marker, which is a grease pencil, and a good pair of scissors. So if I mark a line down the centre to give me a guide when cutting, I take a pair of scissors. The scissors do need to be quite sharp because this is an extremely thick, heavy duty fabric. And that leaves you with a cut edge. Now the cut edge is very good, it's not going to fray or unravel. You could leave that as it is and that would be fine, or you could turn the edge over, say 50mm, and create a 50mm hem and sew 2 rows of stitching down the edge. But to create a stronger edge, we normally use PVC webbing or polyester webbing. We sew the webbing to the edge, 2 rows of stitching. The polyester can be sewn, or the PVC webbing can be welded, so we use high frequency welders to weld the PVC webbing to the PVC fabric, and that creates a super strong edge. That's it. This fabric, along with other fabrics, are available to buy on our website at woolsmanufacturing.co.uk.